aan het doen, Dennis? De grondboor zit vast. Hoe diep denk je dat hij zit, Dennis? Ik denk, dit is video 16. Ik heb nog altijd nummer 1 nog niet online gezet. Alright, welcome back to my third YouTube video. So far not so bad. Before I start explaining a lot of things that people ask me about, why are you doing, what are you doing exactly, I first want to thank two groups of people. The first group is our caring staff, our nurses, our doctors, of supporting us in these difficult times of uncertainty, of fear. They're holding strong. Special thanks to my sister and her husband, who are going back to their daily job day by day, and all the other people that have to support us in the hospitals and the care facilities. That's one. The second group is, and I don't think we can thank them enough, our teachers and principals, also my best friend Michelle, for taking care of all the children out there, making sure they're safe, parents are communicated. A huge amount of respect to those two groups of people, and we can't thank you enough, and we're very grateful for all your work and support. Then, back to the less serious part. I explained to you that I'm going to move to the Netherlands. I'm going to live in an area, and I showed you the area already. It's a beautiful field, which me and Teun want to transform into a food forest. And to explain you a bit, the food forest is a forest that has 3 types of layers where you interact with and you can harvest from over time. We're gonna do it on the permaculture way, so we're gonna work with nature, not against nature, but more on that later. One primary topic for me here is that I need to be able to survive and to live here and to be closer to nature, which was one of my challenges I had. So behind me you see the roof structure of one of 2 safari tents that I purchased second-hand, and those will be my housing methods for the next 1 to 2 years. This one behind us will be the working tent, so it will be pushed against the back wall there, and this will be where we do our works, the rough works, wood works, metal works and everything, so we're sitting dry. On the right hand side, I'll show you a bit more later, you'll see that the construction started on a platform, a wooden deck, and on top of the wooden deck I will mount then my safari tent and start adjusting everything so I can live comfortably in the next years. See you next time. Ja.